Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. So on the daily chart we can see that this bear flag today we broke below it, but on the smaller time frames we are currently trying to break again in it. Sorry for the lack of the internet. So as you can see on the 1 hourly we are pretty oversold on the RSI indicator and we are trying to push back in. So I think that today's price action was only a fake out, since on the smaller time frames we are oversold, and I think that we will go to trade again in this range. We can see that if we connect these two highs we have a symmetrical triangle, and I think we will trade the symmetrical triangle, break out to the upside until we reach the 34k area, because this bear flag I think it is quite early to break to the downside, and at that point yes I think that will be a good rejection area to actually go to the downside of about 24 to 25k area, or even to the 20k area, which was the previous bull top. Now if we zoom, let me remove these things like that. Okay, leave it like this. If we zoom to the other chart on the weeklies, we can see that we are still in this megaphone pattern, the orange two lines. We are still in this blue descending channel, and if we push back to the 34k area as the dotted line suggests, and would be the let me go to the other side, would be, as we said, this red channel. Okay, so let's go again on the other one. I think that the first push would be at 34, getting rejected, move back down to the megaphone pattern at 24k area, consolidate within that range. Let me zoom to the weekly. Consolidate within that range as the dotted line suggests, until we actually break the blue channel and eventually go straight up. Of course we can notice that on the weekly chart we are still in this RSI falling wedge, which is a theoretically bullish pattern, so we are waiting for the break to the upside. You can notice also that we are at the bottom of the pattern trend line, so it suggests a bounce from here. So that is something to notice on the weekly chart. Another thing that I notice, if we connect some highs and lows, we are forming, and we've been forming on the weekly, a falling wedge, and this coincides also with the theory that we should break to the upside. Of course nothing is written into stone, but we can notice also that if we pull out the 200 EMA ribbon on another chart, because does not have enough history on this chart. Okay, if we pull out the 200 EMA, sorry, the 200 simple moving average, we can notice that it is coming into play around the megaphone trend line here. So in this area we should be supported by the trend line of the megaphone and also by the 200 SMA. We can notice that in previous history, in the 2020 crash, in the December 18 crash, and also previously in the other bear markets, we can see that the 200, which is the red line, 200 SMA, has always supported the price on the weekly chart. So I think that considering we have a convergence of trend lines, we have the orange line, we have the simple moving average, we have the RSI, which is suggesting a push to the upside, the falling wedge on the RSI, we have convergence signals that we are near the bottom, and the bottom should be around 20 to 24k area. Of course, nothing is written into stone, but that is my theory. So for those who already invested in crypto, keep hodling, keep strong, and don't lose hope. For those who have not invested right now and are waiting on the sidelines, keep an eye for these type of signals, these charts that I'm showing you, because these will show the bottom when it happens. Of course, for now, I think we will push eventually to the 34k area before getting rejected to below. So that's it for Bitcoin. I'm moving to Mbox right now. Mbox on the daily, we said 2 days ago that we broke from this symmetrical triangle, and the target for its break was about 58 cents. We can notice that the following days, these past 3 days, were all red candles. If we include today's, I think that today's candle is still going to close in a loss. We can easily say that we should reach the 58 cents in a few days if Bitcoin does not push significantly to the upside. Mbox is looking very, very bearish, and I think we'll keep going down until we start that bull run that we are waiting all for. So that's it for today, guys. Keep strong, keep monitoring these charts, and let's hope for the bull run to start in no time. Okay, so see you on the other updates.